Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create API key in DeepSeek AI. First, you need to go to your browser, search this platform DeepSeek, and you can see the option here. Click on that. After clicking on that, you can see this login option. If you already have your DeepSeek AI account, then you just need to log in with it. I have my login account with the Google, so I'm going with login with the Google option and I'm logging in. After few continues, I'm going in, and now we are inside of this page. And as you can see on your left, there's an option of creating AI API keys. Click on API keys. As of we don't have any API key, then you can use it by create a new API key. Tap on it, name whatever you want. I'm naming it as a test and create API key. After that, you can see there's the API key is created. You need to copy it and click on done, and you can see it here. If you want to edit it a bit, you can do it from here, and if you want to revoke it, you can do it from here. And if you want to create another one, you can create using this also. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.